was a case that received national attention.
Where are you, the Department of Justice? Where are you? It is time. It is time for you to bring your boots to Richmond and stamp for Irvo and get justice for my son.
28-year-old Irvo Otieno died last year while in custody at Central State Hospital after being transported there from the Henrico County Jail in the midst of a mental health crisis.
He was murdered. They smothered the breath out of my baby. They murdered my baby. And those are my questions. Why did they do that?
Why?
What right do they have to do that?
And now, just 1 month after a Dinwiddie jury found a former Central State employee not guilty in the death of Otieno, the county's top prosecutor is moving to essentially drop the cases against the remaining 2 people charged.
It was notably remarkable when a jury, after 4 days of evidence, makes a decision in 20 minutes.
Defense attorney Russ Stone, who represented Dwayne Bramley, one of the 10 people who was originally charged in Otieno's death, says the move to no pros does not come as a surprise.
As an attorney and as somebody that was actually involved in one of the cases, this is exactly the result that I expected, particularly after the result of the last trial.
The 2 remaining people awaiting trial are Henrico Sheriff's deputies Kyle Sanders and Brandon Rogers, both currently charged with manslaughter in the Otieno case. But online court records show Dinwiddie Commonwealth's attorney Amanda Mann has filed to no pros the charges against both Sanders and Rogers.
In Virginia, a judge has the authority to dismiss a case entirely. A prosecutor only has the authority to say, we're not going to prosecute this, and that's what no pros means.
So because it isn't an outright dismissal, charges could technically be revisited in the future, an outcome Stone believes is highly unlikely.
A prosecutor is allowed to bring it back if something were to change and some new evidence were to develop. They have the legal authority to do that, but that's exceptionally rare. I don't see it happening in this case under any circumstances.
Stone says although Otieno's death was an absolute tragedy, he feels the decision to drop criminal charges for the remaining men involved was the right one.
There certainly are problems in the mental health system, but prosecuting innocent people isn't going to fix that. There's just no case. There never was. It never should have happened.
That was Joy Foltz reporting. We have reached out to Mann and the defense attorneys for Sanders and Rogers, but have not heard back yet.